So in case you are wondering what am I doing by the riverside, well, here I am today at Godrej Riviera, and I'm going to be telling you a lot about this project because it is located next to the river. But before I show you the river, let me tell you, in today's video I'm going to be telling you about the project's overview, the location, of course, the amenities, again one of them is right behind me, the carpet areas, the pricing, and a lot more. Stay tuned with me in this video. In the meanwhile, take a quick look at the river. And right behind me is Kalyan's biggest township, which is brought to you by Godrej. Now there's so much more that I need to tell you about it. Let's take a closer look at it. The complete project is located in a 19-acre land parcel, and these are going to be the tower's first, third and fourth. The 1 BHK options are of 371 square feet, starting from 39.99 lakh onwards without the balcony, 427 square feet without the balcony, 44.99 lakhs, and 460 square feet with the balcony starts from 47.5 lakh onwards. The 2 BHK options are of 503 square feet and the 660 square feet, and the price range for 2 BHK begins from 64.99 lakhs onwards. Now talking to you about the amenities, there's going to be a grand clubhouse of 19,500 square feet, including a party hall, gymnasium, and much more. A 6.5 acres of a riverside promenade, 1.5 acres of sky terrace amenities, healthcare facilities and retail outlets, and a lot more. Now what matters the most is the connectivity. So let's take a very quick look at the connectivity right over here, which is, we are going to look at it through the map. Let's take a look at the map. So now this is located off Kalyan Murbad Road within 4 kilometers of two stations, that is the Shahad and the Ambewali station, within 12 kilometers from Kalyan station, and it is very close to upcoming metro line number 5. Along with that, it also has amazing road connectivity to the Mumbai-Nasik highway, Samruddhi Expressway, and more. Of course, there are going to be top schools and colleges in the close proximity also. Now that you've seen all of this, I'm sure you want to see the construction and the build quality. Come, let's take a look at the gallery over here. This is how your toilet construction would be. The flat interiors would be done. The waterproofing of the external walls has been taken care of, and also the terrace has been made leak proof. फिलहाल के लिए मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि ये 660 स्क्वायर फीट का 2 BHK अपार्टमेंट कैसा है। ये है आपकी एंट्रेंस और यहाँ है आपका खूबसूरत सा लिविंग और डाइनिंग एरिया। Now why am I calling it खूबसूरत सा लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग एरिया? Reason number 1 is यहाँ पर आपका डाइनिंग टेबल आता है, and this is the TV and this is the living space. So everything is very well connected. The family can sit together, enjoy TV, enjoy dinners together. And right over here you can enjoy your coffee also. This is your balcony, which comes covered from 3 sides, and it comes with wooden finished anti-skid flooring and an iron railing as well. अब इसके जो bedrooms हैं, so one bedroom is placed on one side and the other one is placed on other side. So let's first of all take a look at the common bedroom and the common toilet and bath. So this becomes your common area for obvious reasons. यहाँ पे you can have your clothes dryer if you want because there's good space. And this is your common toilet and bath, which comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and the CP sanitary fittings as well. And here is your common bedroom or the kids' bedroom. Now this one comes with this really beautiful window. I really love these windows, you know, because they give you this feel of a standing balcony. They have a toughened glass यहाँ पे for your safety, and it has a 3-door sliding window. That means कि आप आपकी विंडो को आपके हिसाब से खुला या बंद रख सकते हैं. So ventilation का ventilation and perfect lighting की perfect lighting. Of course, view ka view, because this is Godrej Riviera, it is going to have one of the best views in the town, the river view. So yes, let's not waste any more time and let me show you the kitchen. Now here is the kitchen, which comes with again another balcony, a dry utility area. So the kitchen comes with these two opposite placed granite slabs, ends at a utensil sink, and it ends at the dry balcony area as well. Now before you step into the master bedroom, do not forget to take a look at the flooring. Now this is a wooden finished flooring, because of which the master bedroom gets an extra elegance. It also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here, which comes with anti-skid flooring and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well, and the CP sanitary fittings. Now here as well, they have provided you with a glass window, so that you can enjoy your tranquil river views. You can actually come and take a look at this greenery that you can see. क्योंकि ये river side होने वाला है, तो आपकी जो river का view है, that is going to stay permanent forever. There's another thing that's going to stay permanent forever, and that is Property Cloud. And also, we are going to tell you how to go ahead with the booking process. Stay with me. And now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you're very interested in knowing कि booking कैसे करनी है. Well, booking कैसे करनी है उसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि Property Cloud क्या है. This is India's only PropTech service which connects you directly with the developer and also helps you do virtual site tours. Now, what are the advantages of Property Cloud? Well, it's very simple. First thing, that we are a PropTech service. So you don't have to do actual physical site visits and go and check out each and every property. हम आपको सारी के सारे property के details यहीं पर बताते हैं आपके mobile phone पर या आपके laptop पर. After that, when you need to do a physical site visit, after you've shortlisted a couple of properties, then we provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own relationship manager, who will take you on the site visits and also tell you all the other details that you need to know. Now, along with this, we also connect you directly with the developer. Thereby, we do not charge you any brokerage. So we have a completely zero brokerage policy, and we also give you many payment options and also many booking offers and spot payment offers too. So you get the best of deals, the best of discounts, zero brokerage and free pickup and drop service and much more only at Property Cloud. और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है क्या, तो नहीं. Property Cloud is present across the globe in major cities of India like Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. And along with that, we have a global presence also. We are present in UAE, in Singapore, in USA, in Canada and many more countries. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, तो आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, वो है आपको करना है क्लिक नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर. Once you click on this link, we will get in touch with you and we will help you buy your dream home absolutely hassle-free. Stay tuned to us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud. This is me, Ekta Kapoor, signing off for today. Thank you.